Good evening. This is your truly, Angel Ferdinand Marcos. Today I'm showing to you one of the POL of Zimbabwe boxes together with Zimbabwe gold certificates and plates. And I will show to you the mini box of Zimbabwe. This only show that we are really doing a redemption. We'll start with ABL, then second we'll start with cash, US cash, and uncut and cut and cash pallet. And then we go to Zimbabwe, we go to Iraqi dinars, then we go to all currency. After all the currency, we will go and do the redemption for all historical cash and gold-backed assets. And this is how we're going to do. First, we will distribute all around the world in 205 countries the Nizara Gizara gold coin. All of those gold coins will stay, but those non-gold back will be phased out. That is the reality. We don't care if it is BTC. We don't care if it is other crypto that is being used now. They have to follow Basel III, Basel IV agreement. I understand that some banks, they still want to issue out derivatives that is not gold back and cash back. I understand they still get away with it, but not for long. By the date that was declared, January 2026, they will see. And don't believe those claimants that they claim they have the power to do so. If they don't have the possession of asset, they cannot do nothing. If they're not the signatory, they cannot do nothing. They've been trying to do this for more than 40 years. Where they at now? They still talking about it tomorrow. For 38 years, they've been doing this tomorrow. The redemption will start tomorrow. Now I'm declaring that the redemption started already. We will do it right with your help, with every agency's help, with every government's help. We cannot do it alone. Because when we start doing this, we are united. Set aside our differences. Set aside our greediness. We need to serve humanity. We need to serve our people. You know, we have so much to share. We have billions, hundreds of billions of metric tons of gold. They rather watch it. No, we're going to use it. We will eradicate poverty. We will help every family. We will help everyone that's needed help. We will help everyone that asks for help. We will serve God by helping humanity. This is the fact. So, I'm telling and I'm asking everyone to join me with this. This is now or never. We cannot afford another war. We cannot afford another disease. We cannot afford another pandemic. We cannot afford another stupid idea. War is a primitive solution for economic solution. We will do this. We will run the QFS. We will run the quantum financial banking system that will promote Nisara Gisara, promote equality among us. We need to help each other. We need to put our hands together. You know? So this is the last hurrah. After this, we will enjoy our life. Our children will enjoy their life. And this will be our legacy. I'm asking all those leaders out there to stop blocking us. Do nothing is good enough. We will do all the work. We will do all our job, the best of our ability. But I'm asking, especially the U.S., to join me. Especially the European to join me. You have experience to be alone. You have experience to try your system. It did not work. Let me try this system now. This system is advanced and is also AI. Being AI is not subject for human error. It's not subject for greed. We will register all the trust instruction that will be followed and operated through trust instruction. This is how we're going to do this. There's no other group except human race group. Okay? There's no other group except people that serving God. You know? There's no other group except us among us. It doesn't matter what color. It doesn't matter what race. The last time I checked, there's only one human race. And that's how we're going to work together. I'm grateful. Today is another day of declaration for me. Thank you, and God bless everybody.